Hey, it's similarly here, and in this video I'm going to go over the RSI indicator. That stands for Relative Strength Index. This is an indicator that's going to ensure that you make those perfect entries and exits from your trade. You really can't go wrong when you include this particular indicator in your portfolio of indicators. It's all about trading profitably. And all I ask is that you like, comment below, subscribe, and most importantly, share the video with your friends and family. Now let's get right into it. But before you do that, watch all the way to the end where you can see if your country features on the list of countries that have been sharing and engaging with my videos. You never know. Now let's get right into it. Here we are in Binance, so let's just go straight to the trading screen. And we'll click on Advance. Okay, so here we are. The parameters you have here are just your basic parameters. But I don't care much for this color system, so I'm going to change it so it's a little more visible. I do not like these dotted lines, so let me get rid of those first. And I think I want them a little thicker. And I'm going to change this plot to white. Okay. I think that should do for now. Over here, we have the 70% mark, and down here we have the 30% mark. The top line is our upper limit, which is going to be the point at which we will know when our stock is overbought. If the RSI goes beyond the 70% line, then we're in a situation where the stock is overbought. Within this area, we now see, because it's been overbought, the point at which the RSI crosses back down below the 70% line would be the point at which you probably want to get out of your trade, because we see what happened thereafter. We see that drop, a slight wiggling around, and then ultimately this sharp dump. We can see, looking in this box, that as the RSI indicator moved towards the 70% line, we see that nice increase in price action. It hovers around the 70% line. It doesn't move into a state of being overbought, but it's still an area of caution. Assuming you've already ridden that nice price increase, about this point, you want to get out of the trade, or at least begin to consider to get out of the trade. Remember, the RSI is good for informing you of the best entry and exits for your trades, and you're always better off being safer than sorry, and not risking a price reversal. So now moving into an oversold setup, the next likely action once the RSI crosses back over the 30% mark, the next likely movement is for it to head up. So at this point, you'd probably want to consider again entering into a long position. The RSI is an indicator that I personally would not use on its own. I would use it in conjunction with some of the other ones, because no one indicator in itself is going to do the job of perfectly predicting price action. If we look on this side, we see a situation here where the stock was overbought, and you would expect there to be a decline in price, but there is one where on the 60-minute chart. So for an hour, there was a decline, but it just headed straight back up again. The RSI indicator worked a little better at this point where it crosses over into overbought territory. And we can see in this box how price action now decreased. Again, the RSI is right at that 70% line. It gets rejected off of the line, so it never actually moves into overbought territory. Notwithstanding, it still makes it a good enough reason to exit any long positions that you might be in, or to enter into a short position. This is followed by a decrease in price action. Understanding the way the RSI indicator works is just one more way to help you better understand price action and to improve your entries and exits from a trade. Well, that's it, folks. I hope this video has proven useful, and really I'm looking forward to you coming back and letting me know in the comment section below how this indicator has helped to improve your trading game. I certainly know it's helped to improve mine. Okay, now I'll see you guys on the next video.